Hey everyone, John Cruz here at Worldwide Auctioneers, getting ready for the 54th annual Auburn Auction and Show right here in Auburn, Indiana, the classic car capital of the world. And we've got some great classics, pre-war American classics, as we normally do. I love them. I know a lot of you do too. And one of the things that I love most about pre-war American, in addition to their great looks, is their usability and the friendships that we have because they're usable, and the clubs. And the Classic Car Club of America, of which I'm a life member, there's some wonderful folks in there, and as many of you have been on some of the caravans, they're a blast. In my opinion, the 1937 Packard 12 convertible sedan is the ultimate caravan touring car. And the Packard 12 power, of course, is incredible. In 37, there's a lot of upgrades that make driving much, much better. And you still have the great early looks. And this car is coming out of a wonderful collection of pre-war cars, and it has been used in tour. So this is a proven tour car. Of course, I prefer the convertible sedan because of its size. You can pile in lots of friends or family. You got trunk space, so you're gonna be on a tour for 3, 4, 5 days or longer. Those things are really important. Of course, you can roll the windows up and you still have protection from the weather. Or if you want, you can certainly have some open top motoring fun. But this is a wonderful example, not just of the 3712, but of a proven tour car. It's selling no reserve to the highest bidder right here, Labor Day weekend at the Auburn auction. So get registered to bid, come check this and all the other great classics out. And I hope you are the next owner of this awesome 37 Packard 12. We'll see you in Auburn.